money, but because we don't have proper channel, proper distribution channel. That's why a lot of people are suffering. WA came in the right timing 2 months before the impact of COVID-19 on 19 December. WA is still a baby, not even a 1-year-old platform, but nearly 10 million US dollar peer-to-peer went into donation. Day by day, day by day, day by day, more people are joining. But 90% people still waiting because they are under receiver's mode. We don't want to join. We only want to receive. That's why they're suffering. 10% of the world are willing to give before they receive. Well done. You all are that category people. We are willing to give before you receive. Especially the Unity Global Support Team. Great job. Every day, non-stop, 60 over days. Doing previews after previews after previews. For sure, they are a champion. God is observing. One time you build correctly, only one time build correctly, that's it, done. Work is done for you. The building structure, again I repeat, it's not 510 volts for you. Your gold mine is at 62, that's all. Check back and correct. Who are the 62 people wallets? Talk to them, mold them, teach them, bring them in the missionary work. Make sure they are same energy, same frequency like you. Then you are a champion. So do not bring anyone. Maybe you made a mistake because of excitement, you start to do recruiting. Stop that. Everyone made a mistake. But now we see, attract them into meetings first. Let them come and join the preview first. Understand the methodology of what do you mean WA first. Make sure they understand the concept of WA first. If they are interested, hook up them in the platform of your structure. If they are not interested, thank you, God bless you, and you move to next steps. When you stop recruiting, your direction will go on the smooth way. There are people outside there who are willing to give life for development. Ladies and gentlemen, there are outside group of people willing to give their life for community development. These are the people that you need in WA. Reason why? Outside there, they're working and working and working for community development, social economy movement. But at the end of the day, they don't get anything. They only become the giver and giver and giver. But WA, if they understand that, two-way interaction. The past 5 years, I love community. The past 5 years again, I'm in touch with community. I give so much my money outside that. I help this community, I help the community, okay? Simply I help them. But money always one-way traffic. Money always go out and go out and go out from me. Because why? I like to help people. God gave me money to my business and I want to pay back. But what happened? 3-4 years ago, God gave me a platform. A similar platform, a crowdfunding model, a donation model, based on fiat money, no technology. So that platform, within 1 year, We created 34 million ringgit Malaysia peer-to-peer donation. It's a 19 years platform. But because there's no technology behind that, it took 9 years, 19 years to see that kind of impact. But when I see W model, instantly global, full of technology, artificial intelligence, blockchain technology, the money is also instantly online money. That's why within 180, 190 days, they captured nearly 10 million, 40 over million ringgit Malaysia in 10, in 3, 4 months, 5 months, 6 months. But that company, 19 years. Is a different. When we are total online, the impact is fast, huge. I expect maybe by end of this year, we can hit at least 200, 300 million US dollars. And we are the pioneers. As a pioneer, we're given the opportunity first. As a pioneer, okay, you can build a structure first. Although there's no guarantee given, the pioneer can make huge money because it's not a pyramid scheme. Everyone are given equal chance in the community. Everyone are given 2 by 8 structure. How you build your 2 by 8 structure is up to you. How I build my 2 by 8 structure is up to me. Whatever flow of Ethereum in your structure is your way. Whatever flow Ethereum in my structure is my way. That's the beauty of WV plan. Right now, you must know that WV is not only for individual people. WV structure is for organization, foundation, corporation. You must bring that model together with you. Then the impact is totally different model. WA model is a fundraising model. It's a total online fundraising model. When you talk of fundraising model, as an individual people, they don't understand because they have no experience on doing fundraising. Compare with business people and organization. Those who are running an organization, they know how difficult to raise funds. Fundraising is not easy. Fundraising is risky. Only those people who are experienced, they know that. Example, corporation, foundation, association, who are running the activity, they need fund. Simply what they will do, they do an activity fundraising method. Example, selling dinner table, dinner tickets. How they sell? How they can sell the dinner tickets? They must use the network of their people in the community, in the association. Example, in the association got 1,000 people, the chairman, the team decided to raise fund for their organization for an activity. And this is decided to create a fundraising method by selling dinner table. They printed 1,000 tickets for 100 tables. One ticket, 100. Example, 100 ringgit in Malaysia. So when I sell the ticket, I am also part of the members in the association. Because of love toward the association, I want to make sure my association enough fund for do the activity. So I commit myself to sell the ticket. So I sell a ticket, 100 ringgit. So when I collect the money, 100 ringgit, and pass to my association, what I gain? What I gain? When I sell a ticket, a 100 ringgit dinner table ticket, I collect 100 ringgit and pass to the association. What I gain? I gain happiness. That's all. I'm so happy that I collected 100 ringgit as a fund for my association. That's all. I don't get any money. What the association feel? They feel happy also, but not at the end of the day. Initially happy, but the $100 that enter into the bank account of the association is not belongs to them. 45%, 50% of the money they must spend for the food because they sell the ticket as a dinner table ticket. So they must give a proper food. 45%, 45 ringgit goes to the dinner table. 20, 30% goes to the deco, that and this. So end of the day, they only make clean net 20%, that's all. You get a 20%, 20 ringgit, how much time they have to spend, how much risk they undergo. Sometimes 100 tables, they already paid the money for the food. But ticket, only 70%, 80% slow. Sometimes some people, they agree, they promise to pay. They come for dinner. After dinner, they go bye, that's it. They don't pay. I've seen people. After the fundraising dinner, they lost 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. 2 months, 3 months spend time. Another day never make, but they are in debts. So this kind of organization, when you teach them, tell them about the concept of double way, they will be very happy. What happens? Because they understand that the difficulty of doing fundraising by using old school method approach. Any organization, any foundation that running the model based on donation